Good morning my dear students, welcome back to your class. In previous class I have discussed about the question answer from exercise chapter 7 getting to know plants, and there I have discussed up to 1 to 6 number question answers. Today I will finish the remaining portion. So I will start from question number 7, that if a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, then what kind of roots will it have? Question is there that if a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, then what kind of roots will it have? It must be a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, then its leaves have then its root will be taproot. Okay, taproot. I have discussed it many times. It is just opposite in case of parallel venation. If the plant has leaves with parallel venation, then the roots will be fibrous root, and here the answer will be taproot. Okay, here the types of root will be taproot. Now comes to next question, that is it possible for you to find out whether a plant has taproot or fibrous root by looking at the impression of the leaf on a sheet of paper? That I have already discussed. And question number 6 and 7, this answer and 8 answer is same, almost same. So I am trying to write this answer in the board, try to follow me. Eight answer, yes, it is possible. It is possible to find whether a plant has taproot or fibrous root by looking at the impression of its leaf on a sheet of paper. Okay, so this will be the answer, and again I am repeating this. Yes, it is possible to find whether a plant has taproot or fibrous root by looking at the impression of its leaf on the sheet of paper. Okay, so here we have discussed question number 8. Now comes to question number 9. What are the parts of a flower? You know, all of you know this answer, I know. Question number 9. flower. First one is sepal, then petals, then stamen, next one pistil. You know that flower is the reproductive organ in the flowering plants, and these are the main parts of a flower: sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. Sepals, you know, that is along with the flower, the outer covering of a flower that protects the petals, and when the flower is in bud form, then these sepals protect it, okay, from outer any injury. Then petals. Petals, you know, they are the most colorful part or attractive part of a flower, and they possess fragrance, a different color, okay. Next comes to stamen. You know, stamen is the male reproductive portion of the flower, and pistil is the female reproductive portion of a flower. Now, the stamen, including stamen, you know, stamen structure, it is a stamen structure. I am drawing this. It is total stamen structure. Then stamen having two parts. One is anther. From anther, pollen grain is released out, and this is filament, okay. So this is the total structure of a stamen. And pistil, you know, it is female reproductive organ part of a flower, okay. So pistil also having three parts: stigma, style and ovary. So I am drawing a total structure of a pistil, how it looks like. It is the total structure of a pistil. Here the upper portion where anthers are dropped, this portion is known as stigma. Then this tube-like structure or pipe-like structure is called style, and this portion where ovules are there, this is known as ovary. So these are the main parts under pistil: stigma, style, ovary, and stamen. From stamen, anther and filament, okay. So here I have described the parts of flower. Now comes to 10th number question. Tenth number question: from the following plants, which of them have flowers? Now here the options are grass, maize, wheat, chili, tomato, tulsi, peepal, shisham, banyan, mango, jamun, guava, pomegranate, then papaya, banana, lemon, sugarcane, potato, groundnut. Among these all of them having flowers, okay. So this answer is very easy. I am not writing it in the board, okay. Now next comes to 11 number question. Name the part of the plant which produces fruit and name the process. You know which part of the plant produces food, that is known as leaf, and the process by which leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll pigment present in the leaves with carbon dioxide present in the air, and also water that is absorbed by the roots, and through the stem this water is carried out to the all parts of the plants through the process of photosynthesis. So the answer here will be in a single sentence: leaves produce food through a process photosynthesis. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, next comes to 12 number question. Only 2 questions are left. In which part of a flower you will find the ovary? You know, I have already drawn it in previous question that in a pistil ovary is present. So I am trying to write this. Now we find ovary in pistil. You can also write that ovary is found in lowermost and swollen of the pistil. Okay, so here I have written the answer. We find ovary in pistil, or ovary is found in the lowermost or the swollen part of the pistil. Okay. Now 13 number question. Name 2 plants in which one has joint sepals and other has separate sepals. Now I am grabbing this and writing this answer in the above portion of this board. Plants with joint sepal you can write some example of such plants like dhatura, then cotton plant also, okay, and then gourd. So you can write dhatura, cotton flower also, then gourd, you can also write gourd. Next, plants with separate petals, separate sepals, separate sepals. You can write rose, then lotus, and you can also write mustard. You can write by your own also. Okay. So these are the examples: the plant with joint sepals, dhatura, cotton, gourd. Then plants with separate sepals, rose, lotus, mustard. Okay. So here I have finished this chapter, exercise question answer. I hope you all will see this video, and please do the homework that I have given. Second number question from this exercise, okay, and you should upload it in the e-portal. Okay students, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.